Good morning, my people. Hope you guys are doing well, because I am. Um, just got back from the gym, done a great leg sesh, and now I'm back here. So this is an update from yesterday's trades. Yesterday I was up for a daily P&L of 4.6 RR. Yeah, on my calendar, 4.6 RR for the day yesterday, and let me show you how I done it. So as you can see, we have a SFP line from that high, which we have SFP'd from. As you can see, we broke above, got as high as there, but no, we came back down below it, showing weakness. And as you can see, price started correcting down. This would be an A wave, which I'll get into later. If that's an A wave, a corrective wave, an A corrective wave, then the B wave has to be what we're in now. Another, or this could be a A, B, C, and then a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then maybe we'll get into that. As you can see, I entered my short. This first attempt was a L, guys. It was an L. I lost 1% here, but it was good. It was a good reason. Double 618 confluence. As you can see, if I bring the fib level from that high to that low, we get the yellow line, which is the 6.5, guys. This is 618, 6.5 golden pocket. And then if I get a fib extension tool from this bottom to that top to that bottom, we get 2.618 level, 2 level, and the under there is a 1.618 level, which is a common third wave target. Anyhow, moving on, price stopped me out and just pushed straight past this level. So although it showed a little bit of weakness, price eventually pushed higher. As you can see, we have more confluence here. We have these highs from this rejection. We got the sharp rejection, and then we got that bounce. We got them highs there. We also have this high here. We also have the 786, and we have the 1 to 2 level. So now that's a more high confluent zone for me. Moving on, guys, you can see that this was a simple trend line breakout, which I should have been looking at, but I wasn't. As you can see, if I connect them two highs there, once we broke out the line, we were flying. Oops. And now we have the SFP slash rejection above from the 786. We came as high as to claim them highs over there from that initial drop. And then we also claimed this high and we claimed the 786, guys. As you can see, we got a sharp rejection down on which I entered my short position on the acceptance below. Stop loss above the high. Stop loss could have actually been above the 786 because chances of us coming that high are kind of slim. Anyhow, we actually tapped the 0.88, guys. 0.88. Zoom in. You can barely see it, but there's a 0.88 level, and Bitcoin loves to hit the golden pocket right after it hits the 0.88. So we tapped the 0.88 and we came straight down to the golden pocket. I actually rode that wave down. However, this was my trade and I took profit. So this was my short. I took profit on the acceptance back above. As you can see here, I rode the short from there to there. But once we got acceptance back above, I closed my short and entered long, as I basically knew that price wanted to come claim the high at the very least. So we got the 0.88 move down to the golden pocket, started getting acceptance back above. I got out of my short because it was a red flag, and now I'm longing. I'm longing from the golden pocket onwards. Stop loss below the lows. Not to mention that price rejected twice off of the 382, which is a common fourth wave target. So if this was a 1, 2, and then the third wave, you can see that the fourth wave hit the 382 lovelily. It's not a word, I know. But as you can see, we got a nice push up eventually to come and claim the high. As you can see there, the highs, and we claimed the height of perfection, got a nice little rejection after that. However, eventually started moving higher. So this was the trade, guys. I was targeting that 1.618 level, which didn't get hit. But as you can see, the TP was 3.7. But I took profit, guys. I took profit. You can see I took profit because the TP went down to 800. And I also moved my stop loss to break even. So I took profit, which is a good thing. We started rejecting off these highs. However, we did start pushing higher, which is all right, but didn't look too strong. And now we started bouncing around, bouncing around. Eventually, we formed a bearish divergence. We got higher highs on the price action and lower highs on the on the RSI, which I didn't show you, but there is very bearish divergence. The RSI is underrated. As you can see, we got the rejection back below the SFP line. Also, re retraced all the way back up to the golden pocket. If you take a fib level from the whole move down, the whole SFP move, get the perfect A plus setup, retracement from the golden to the golden pocket. As you can see, I entered a short right here, but instead of risking 500, which is 1% on a 50k account, I risked 2%, which is 1k, because that's how confident I was. And it played off, guys. It paid off. We got a nice move down from where I shorted, bang, on 15-minute candle. Anyhow, you can see I took profit because my stop loss was from 1.1 to $20. So I basically moved SL to break even and I took profits right at the bottom. And as you can see, guys, it was a good thing I did because this was the trade, guys. Took profit around here and I would have got stopped out. Although price did move down, that's alright.